Pasensya gid, it means excuse me or I'm really sorry. Pasensya gid. Pasaylo gid, like excuse me or pardon me or I'm really sorry. Pasaylo gid. Pasensya gid, maagi lang ako. Excuse me, I'll just pass through or I'll just pass by. Pasensya gid, maagi lang ako. Excuse me, it also means excuse me. So you can also use that. Excuse me. Hulat lang gid anay or dali lang gid. It means just a moment or excuse me for a while. Hulat lang gid anay, dali lang gid. Pwede ko ikaw makaistorya, may I speak with you? Pwede ko ikaw makaistorya or pwede ko ikaw maistorya? Sorry gid sa disturbo or you can say pasensya gid sa disturbo. Excuse me for the disturbance. Sorry gid sa disturbo or pasensya gid sa disturbo. Pwede ako makisakay. It means may I come along or may I join. Pwede ako makisakay. Pwede ako maka-interrupt. So, may I interrupt? Interrupt is like English tell, but yes, pwede ako maka-interrupt sang makadali for a while, for a moment.